Thank you for joining in today. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on all my new weekly art lessons. And for today, I have another preview here of one of my Skillshare classes. This one is how to paint abstract water. And as you can see there, I will show how to get started with your base there and your background, and then I will go over how to layer each of the waves and all the ripples and how to build up your contrast properly and create a lot of depth and dimension. If you're interested, the full tutorial is about a half an hour, and I will leave the link in the description down below. I also have many other art classes. If you're interested, I have many watercolor paintings and other acrylic ones, as well as some illustration with pen and ink. And again, all the links will be down below. Thank you so much for watching.